In case of an unexpected incident, stay calm and react quickly. If you're on the ladder, signal for help and carefully descend. If you're assisting, provide support and assistance to your colleague. 1. Stay calm. In the event of an incident, the first step is to remain calm. Panic can lead to poor decision-making and further accidents. 2. Signal for help. If you are on the ladder and an incident occurs, signal for help immediately. Use a whistle or shout to alert nearby workers. 3. Careful descent. If possible, carefully descend the ladder while maintaining 3 points of contact. Do not rush, as this can lead to additional falls or injuries. 4. Assist the injured. If a colleague is injured, provide first aid if you are trained to do so. Ensure the injured person is comfortable and avoid moving them unless absolutely necessary. 5. Call emergency services. Contact emergency services immediately if the injury is severe. Provide clear information about the location and nature of the incident. 6. Secure the area. Ensure the area around the incident is secure to prevent further accidents. This may involve cordoning off the area or placing warning signs. 7. Incident report. Document the incident as soon as possible. Include details such as the time, location, nature of the incident, and any contributing factors. This information is crucial for future safety improvements.